Repair.
So when a ligament gets damaged, what we call a sprain, the resources it needs to repair itself arrive in a trickle rather than a flood.
It also makes the skin cells proliferate to repair the damaged barrier.
It breaks the triglycerides down into carboxylic acids, which can then be stored as energy or used for cell repair and growth.
Her father, Orazio, insisted the case go to trial to repair the damage done to the family name.
Tiny chemical machines of the future can one day perhaps repair DNA.
We usually don't care for, repair, clean, carry around our coffee cup, our shopping bag, our bottle of water.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who led the Muslim minority, thought the rifts created by colonization were too deep to repair.
Since this book weighs 52 pounds, the previous repair had completely failed.
It's been 17 years since an earthquake hit Pompeii and its neighbor Herculaneum, and there's still construction and repair work to do.
What I'm actually really curious about is if one day it'll be possible to repair, rebuild, and augment our own bodies with stuff we make in the kitchen.
Repair.